Yo boys, before this video starts, if you would like the chance of winning a promo code on Rain worth 10 coins, all you have to do is comment your Discord name and like this video. Now I'm gonna draw two people from last video. First one is going to be Emme, second one is going to be Tricky CS. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are once again back on rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with, and before we get into the video, if you yourself would like to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, play under code Vaulty, hit apply. If you do so, you will automatically join our 600 coin weekly leaderboard, and you also get a 5% deposit bonus on your deposits. So let's get straight into the video. We just missed a double rain here while I was setting up the recording program, so let's try to hit the triple rain straight away. I think it might not hit though, because it hit very recently. Let's see, yeah, it hit earlier today. Yeah. So I don't think we're gonna see another triple rain today, but we could try. So let's see here. Would be a crazy start hitting a triple. Let's see, 5 seconds to go. There's not many people joining though, only 38 people. Let's see. Okay, that's not a hit. No triple rain to begin with. Let's start off with battles instead. They recently added some new cases. I have been trying them on stream lately, and I can say Reflection is really good. I haven't recycle. This one is really good as well. Let's start off with these 3 cases. All new cases. Recycle, Reflection and Octo. And let's see if we could start off with the W. Last video did not go well at all, but on the streams we've been hitting. Okay, and I hit the spin straight away, but our bot also hits, so that's not good to see at all. Come on, might as well be a good item now. Okay, that's really bad, I think. Yeah, 100 coins only. Reflection, come on. Nope. Okay, it's up to Octo. The other team needs to hit for this to be winnable. Okay, and they does. They do hit. Ah, okay, it's basically gonna be a 50-50 here. Come on, crazy item. How much is that? Is it good? 300? Nah, they snipe it. We do have more percent than them, and they snipe it anyways. Yesterday on stream I made a 200 coin battle and it got up to 5k. We have 90%, the bots had 10% and they sniped it from me. I was so mad. So if you ask me, we should be winning something today, because yesterday was really horrible. 2 versus 2 crazy jackpot, 125. We're already down with 300 coins if we lose this, so this needs to hit. No spin on recycled. Oops, come on, 4%. Stop, it's too fast. Cotton candy. Okay, why is it so dry? Which is the last case? 9% there. Holy shit, not a single spin. I don't even want to win this. I don't want to waste tickets on winning this. Good. You know what? I think I'm gonna run this back. We're running this back. Holy shit, we're down to 200 coins if we lose this. Then we need to chill the fuck out. Okay, we lose percentage. Okay. Come on. This gives one good hit. That's not enough, and we hit as well. Last case. Why you do this? We do win this though. Let's see if we can make an upgrade with 19 coins. We need that 10x now, come on. Yeah, that's not a hit. 2 versus 2, crazy jackpot. The thing with this case, all the top items have 0.5%. So if you get a gold on this, it's basically always good. Okay, first spin. But it's the worst item, almost the worst item, only 100 coins. Okay, there's one more case in this. We need bot number 18 to hit. Top, and it kinda does. Top, okay, we win, it's money back. I'm gonna recreate this. We're running this back. Come on. I mean, good start for the percentage, that's 25 coins. But we need to see a rain spin for this to pay. And that's a rain spin, but it's the bot with the most percentage. Okay, that should be decent, I think. Yeah, 186. Okay, that's good, that's good. Now, show us a gold instead. Ah, how much is that? I think that's even worse. No, 130. Okay, he loses all his percentage. This is really good. Now, please, we need to see a gold there. Okay, that's second best item, that's 400. Come on, they have 12%. Nice, 700 coins. 777, lucky number. Okay, that paid 388. We're back up to 500. Battle is going. Now there's gonna be double sound. Okay, I'm never joining Addicted Battle again. Holy fucking ass. What a waste on 100 coins. We're gonna keep on going with the new cases. I think we're just gonna make an all-in battle with all the new cases. Let's do this instead. 3 versus 3, crazy jackpot. Sell that. We need this one now. Okay, that's bad for the percentage, really bad. Okay, now everyone in the other team needs to hit. We are basically out. And we get gloves. That's almost 400. Come on now, please, the other team just needs to hit. But they're not hitting anything. Come on. Why are they not hitting? Fountain. Oh my god, that's so ass. Yeah, this is... What a shit battle. Battle costed 358 coins, it paid 690. Yeah, they lost a lot on that. We shouldn't have done that addicted case, but what can you do? That's it for today, boys. Unfortunately, we did not win today. So that means we have to see you boys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you yourself want to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to Deposit, play under code Vaulty. When you do so, you join the 600 coin leaderboard, and we will see you boys in the next video. Bye.